Good morning, guys. Made it to the trailhead parking lot here at Chuckwagon. Parking's pretty crowded even on a weekday, so kind of made my own space up there. But we're gonna head up to the trail now. It looks like there's gonna be a lot of people out there today, so it should be fun. And there's the road right there. If you have a 4x4 vehicle, you can drive on that all the way up to the trailhead. I do not. See, those guys parked up here. I actually like parking down there because it adds a little more distance to the hike, so it's kind of nice. As you can see by the road here, this is not a road you would want to take a rental car or anything that isn't four-wheel drive. Preferably a Jeep, but any kind of SUV would make it over here. But if you do have an off-road vehicle, again, you can bypass this road and park right at the Devil's Bridge trailhead. But then your hike's a lot shorter. Personally, I like the distance, so that's kind of nice. The scenery right off the bat is just amazing. Look at the red rock cliffs over there. So I started this hike as early as possible. I left Phoenix at about 6 a.m. You want to get on this road early because A, it does fill up, and B, the pink Jeep tours, they start going later in the morning, and when you have a bunch of Jeeps on this road, it kicks up a lot of dust. So you're going to be hiking alongside Jeeps, cruising past you, and it just gets really dusty. So the earlier you can go, the better, for sure. And here comes one of the Jeep tours. This is what you want to avoid because watch how much dust is kicked up. So yeah, you want to avoid that. Camera probably doesn't pick it up. A little more dusty now, but it's all good. I haven't been on a Jeep tour. I'm sure they're fun. I just kind of like hiking everything and getting there by foot because of the reward. All right, so we're getting a lot closer now. Kind of up around there a little bit. The trail itself is rated as kind of modestly easy. It's got an elevation gain about, 700 feet elevation gain. So it's not really that hard. All right, we made it to the trail. Right here is the intersect of the road and the trail, so you won't miss it. All right, we're on the trail and off we go. It's a pretty short hike to the top. It's not really a top. There's no actual summit, but short hike to where Devil's Bridge is, rather. Pretty hard to get lost. It's only one main trail, not a lot of branch offs, so pretty obvious where we're going. The thing I love about hiking is no matter your race, creed, financial status, etc., everyone on the trail is friendly. Everyone on the trail has something in common, has an end goal, and just kind of brings everyone together. I've never really met like a grumpy, stuck-up hiker, I guess. People who hike are just generally pretty friendly people. So this Sony action cam is not going to capture how beautiful and magnificent that is right in front of us. Only way you can see for yourself, come on out here and hike it. It's definitely worth it. Anywhere in Sedona is just amazing and picturesque like nothing else. There's your first branch off. You can tell that's not the main trail. This is. All right, we're going that way. Let's roll. It's very hot out today, almost 90 degrees, so pardon my sweating. But about a gallon of water in my backpack, so I'm good. You always want to bring plenty of hydration on your hikes. All right, so I had to wait for a rush of people down there to climb up the final little climb. So Devil's Bridge is a little bit this way, pretty much cruising from here. There it is. What's that? Oh yeah, you got that time perfect. It's a lot thicker when you get out there. It looks thinner than it is. All right, for those of you who don't want to go on here, it's actually deceptively wide. I know, it's supposed to make the photos more daring, right? So here's the thinnest part right here. So that's what it looks like from first person point of view there. A lot different than in the photos.
Muster up the courage to do this.
Oh, no worries. It's really wide out there. See, right past the bush is the most narrow part. Doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, most people stay over there because they think it's like, you know, 4 or 5 feet. But it's actually a good 7 or 8. The center, I mean, you'd have to really try and fall off to fall off. So my advice is look to the left when you're over there because there's a little bit of a ledge. The right has a drop off. So when you're past that bush, look to your left. You want me to show you where the thinnest part is? Walk out there with you.
Thank you.
Sure. No worries. All right, so for the best photo, you want to be right this crack here. So you want to be right here, and you can see there's a ledge there, so you're fine.
I'm getting down to the ground.
You got it, you got it.
Okay.
There you go. You're there, you're there. You mind if I put you on YouTube?
I don't know.
Okay, thank you. All right, she did it. No problem.
I'm like shaking.
Oh, it's not that bad though. See, you just can't look down though. If you look down, that's when you're in trouble.
I didn't look down.
Yeah. See what I mean though? Because that right side is like a sheer drop, but the left side kind of has a little bit of a cushion there.
Yeah.
But see, it's not that bad.
It's not it. Well. Yeah.
You're like,
It wasn't so bad right here.
you're like, screw you, that was pretty bad. Yeah, no worries. I thought since it was such a short hike, I would hike under the bridge so you can see what it looks like under. There it is. So we're just heading back to the Chuckwagon Trailhead parking lot right now, and that was it. It's a fun hike, not really a day hike, pretty quick hike. But yeah, it's a fun one, very scenic, very cool. Trying to avoid doing it on the weekend though, because that's when everyone does it. I'm going on Tuesday right now. Got up there at about 10 a.m. and that was pretty busy. So yeah, definitely come on a weekday if you can. But if not, you'll still enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. People are hilarious at the top. There are people who get really freaked out, don't want to do it, or as you saw in the video, sometimes you're like, hey, I'll walk out there with you, and they're like, okay. So yeah, it's just a lot of fun. People are having a good time up there, and that's Sedona. Hard not to have fun there. So that's the hike. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.